Hello everyone, Chef Stas is back again with you. Haven't seen you for a while. Today many of us have to stay home to be safe, and this is a great opportunity to learn some new skills, to learn some new recipes. So I would like to show you a recipe of Russian apple cake called Sharlotka. It's super easy. Our grandmas do it, our mamas do it. We also do it in a few different ways. I'll show you mine. Let's go, let's start cooking.
First step is to grease a cake mold with butter and dust it with flour to prevent from sticking. Put aside. Next, we need to crack 6 eggs in a bowl. Add 250 grams or 1¼ cups of sugar and whip until mixture will become pale and grow in volume. Measure 250 grams or 2 cups of all-purpose flour, add 3 teaspoons of cinnamon if you like it, 7 grams or 1 bag of baking powder, carefully mix all dry ingredients until fully combined and add it to the egg mixture in 3 steps. When the dough is ready, let's cut the apples. Any shape you like will do. Personally, I prefer to quarter it, remove cores and thinly slice it. Now carefully mix apples with the dough. Transfer into the greased mold. Make sure you spread the dough evenly and flatten the surface. Put the cake to bake in preheated to 180 degrees Celsius or 350 degrees Fahrenheit oven with convection for 30 to 40 minutes until dough is baked through. Generously sprinkle with powdered sugar. A spoonful of sour cream is all you need to make this cake perfect. Bon appetit!
Apples are always handy, so you can make such a cake for breakfast or for a dessert anytime any time of the year. So I hope you like the recipe, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys very soon. Have a good one.